Hi, Lana. Welcome once again to Lana's Coach. This is the place where we give you the right career guide. And of course, we also share with you some of the best courses that you can always pursue, especially if you're here in Kenya. Now, if you're a student and you're wondering, for example, there's this particular question that people who scored a D plus grade normally wonder which course they can pursue, right? So someone asks, I got a D plus grade in KCSE, right? Which is the best course uh, should they pursue, right? Or which are the available courses that they need to pursue? Now, I will really not beat around the bush. I'll just introduce you to some of the marketable craft certificate courses that you can pursue. Now, these particular craft courses are available and are offered by the Kuccps, right? So you just need to find the right TVET college around you, and you'll find these particular courses. In fact, the qualification to join or to pursue these craft courses is just a D plain and below, right? So that means even with a D plus now you qualify for additional certificate courses, right? So you can be asking, I'm talking about craft. So what is this craft certificate? So craft courses are vocational programs and workshop certificate classes that equip young people with the knowledge they need to live a decent life through employment and or entrepreneurship. Now, the good thing is that Kenya offers a variety of craft courses, some of which include craft certificate in medical laboratory technology, motor vehicle maintenance, as you're going to see. And that's why I was actually upbeat that with your D plus, you can be able to get quite a number of courses. So why should you pursue these particular craft courses, right? Of course, there are diverse benefits. For instance, upon successful completion of these particular craft courses, you can decide to look for formal employment, or you can start your own business, or rather continue with your education. Continue with the education meaning you can upgrade your craft certificate to doing some diploma certificates, and of course after diploma you can also upgrade to doing degree, and that is the trend, right? So if you're committed and if you have some passion, right, you can be able to actually earn from these particular certificates without really looking for additional forms of maybe qualifications. With a craft certificate, I guarantee you that you can always start your own, or you can earn living from these, right? Now, ideally, it is different from other certificates that you'll always get because it offers also some technical, it gives you some technical exposure. So if you're good at a particular skill, there are high chances that you can always get quite a number of jobs to take or to do, and that means you'll be getting some income. So as I'd mentioned, the qualification here, you just need to have your KCSE, right? Main grade of D plane and above. That means with a D plus, you qualify for these particular courses. Better still, if you did some artisan course, you can also proceed and do these particular courses, right? So you can enroll in any private college, or more so the TVET public colleges. So kind, kindly, if you're joining us for the very first time, take a second or two, click on that button so that you become part of us. Now, let's now dive into the exact or the real courses. We have the category under the vehicle technology craft courses. Now, if you have passion, I normally use this word, if you have passion in handling motor vehicles, right? This is your field. Yeah, because particularly I know I did IT, but if you tell me if I have another choice, I'll always go for this particular technology because I like vehicle technology so much, right? So here you'll get certificate in motor vehicle mechanics. You'll get certificate in automobile technology. Of course, you'll have certificate in motor vehicle technology. Or motor vehicle. I think it's almost the same thing. Automotive engineering, mechanical engineering, vehicle engineering. So there are quite also different options that you'll be given based on the skills or what you are done. If you are done some artisan courses, you might be exempted, or you can be told to pursue a particular option, right? So vehicle technology also best D plus courses. We also have under the category of food beverage, right? These are craft certificate courses. Now you'll do food and beverage management, food and beverage production. We also have pastry and baking technology, right? We have also baking technology. The good thing with these courses, you can pursue them from different colleges. Now, we also have under the category of electrical engineering. Now, here is where we have quite a number of options. You can become, of course, you can become a wireman. You have certificate in as a wireman. Of course, electrical installation, electrical and electronics, electrical technology, power option. You also have the electrical engineering and electronic technology, telecommunication option, right? We also have electrical and electronic engineering power option. Next also, we have craft certificate in electrical installation and maintenance, telecommunication and power, right? So these are just to name but a few electrical engineering courses that you can pursue with your D plus. Of course, the other category is building and construction, right? So you'll have building construction certificate, certificate in building and construction technology, building and civil engineering, plant mechanics, and of course construction plant mechanics. Now, the current government actually is persuading people to do a lot of these courses so that they can work on those particular housing projects that are being launched within the country, right? So with your plumbing certificate, plumbing technology, plumbing and pipe fitting, plumbing and water services, plumbing and building certificate, of course, this I think is misplaced, sorry. This should be under different. We don't have these within the building and construction. So pardon me, we don't do nutrition here, right? But anyway, who told you? When people are working in building and construction, they need someone to cook for them, right? So I think also it's just not bad to say, right? But anyway, these are the main craft courses under the building and construction, right? We have the other category, mechanical engineering, that is the craft courses that you can pursue with your D plus. So you can become or you can pursue mechanical engineering. Of course, you have the production option, marine option. We have mechatronics engineering, metalwork, right? Of course, we have quite a number, right? I think I've just summarized these. So when you check on the various TVET institutions, you'll get more options. And of course, we have information, studies, craft courses that are offered, right? So you can check on this. We have information science, archives and information. So if you have passion with books or handling books, that is, right, you can always look for these particular courses, right? With a D plane and above, your D plus, you are in the right place. All right, so we can again look at additional craft courses that are offered by Kuccps, right? These craft courses, you require your D plus, right, to do them. They are very technical, they are very marketable, and they can allow you to earn a living. So you can see we have certificate in welding, fisheries technology, clothing technology, all these, fashion design, You can enroll with them with your D+. We also have certificate in tailoring and dressmaking, garment making, electrical instrumentation and control, right? You can see we also have civil engineering, building and civil engineering, water engineering, water technology, right? Road transport management. These are just to mention a few. We also have tour guide, tourism management, carpentry and joinery, tax administration. I'll be sharing the links to the various articles so that you read in details and see which category of these particular courses fits you, and maybe look at the specific qualifications that are required. So, ladies and gentlemen, with your D+, I hope now you can make a choice of which particular craft course to pursue. So should you find this particular information useful, as we already, as we always state, be part of the Learners Coach community. Right. Thank you.